Hello, and tonight we're cleaning up battery cables because I'm sick and tired of every time we get ready to do something, we gotta put this blooming thing on the charger. So we're gonna clean these cables tonight and get them straightened out. Now, who knows how old this stinking battery is? Lord knows, probably needs to be replaced too. I can't really see if we can figure out what time it. Wait, what? Sorry about that. Skillful, right? So we're looking at here 2008. Hey, 2-year free replacement. So maybe, don't know what month, but should still be good. So anyway, so we're gonna clean these things up, and as you can see, we got a lot of work to do over there. Over here, some additional corrosion on that ground strap back to the block in there. Connects right there to the block. So that could probably be replaced, but not right now. And then main lead going back to the starter, to the stereo, where we had the amp up there, and then to the voltage regulator. Clean these up as best we can too. I've already knocked these things loose, so maybe that'll help a little bit. Let's see how it goes.